How to fix TapTapSend account suspended for security. Now, if you're also facing this issue, the common reasons why this might happen is due to large or unusual transactions that may trigger an authentic security hole or some policy violations. So if you breach some sort of remittance guidelines, your account may be suspended. Now, in order to solve this issue, the first thing that you need to do is check your email. If your account was suspended, if it says right here, you need to first of all look for any sort of messages on your email address that is linked with your TapTapSend. That will explain why you were suspended in the first place. Now, in this situation, what you can try out is reach out directly to TapTapSend support and ask for an account review. So if you follow the exact process that is shown, you can just ask for a review, and you also may need to verify your identity, which they may ask for a photo or an ID proof verification. So as I said, the first thing immediately you need to do is head over to your email, and you can directly reply to the email that has been sent to you, or also you can contact the email address that is provided to you on your email. So by following these few steps, you should be able to fix the TapTapSend account suspended issue. If this guide video was helpful, be sure to subscribe. That's going to be all for today. I'm going to see you in the next video.